Hello, welcome to our video. In this video, we would like to share you how we can protect or unprotect a dedicated area in our worksheet. To get know more about what we would like to share to you, let's go to sheet illustration. Here we have some kind like a working paper contain data entry and then formula. What we would like to have is we would like to protect the formula from any update thing, while we would like to have this area as a data entry. So we can still change area in the green block, but we cannot do anything in this block. How we do that? Okay, let's go. It will have two steps to do that. The first step is blocking the area that unprotect. Okay, block area, go to home. Okay, and then okay, let me repeat again. Click here, expand, yeah, and then go to protect, and then unlock. Okay, okay. The second one is go to review, protect, and then we can put password. Yeah. Okay, it's done now. Now we can only update column that already blocked as unprotect, while the rest we cannot do anything to edit or else. I hope it clear enough for you to understand how we can protect or unprotect the certain area. If you find this video useful for you, please help to subscribe, like it, and you may share it to others. Thank you. See you in our another video tutorial. Goodbye.